Welcome to our home and garden channel. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of flowers and their secret language. Did you know that flowers have been used throughout history to convey messages and emotions? Let's uncover the hidden meanings behind some of our favorite blooms. Roses, often associated with love and passion, have a language of their own. A red rose signifies deep affection, while a pink rose represents gratitude and admiration. Yellow roses symbolize friendship and joy, while white roses convey purity and innocence. It's amazing how a single flower can express so much. Tulips come in various colors, each carrying its own significance. For example, red tulips express undying love, while yellow tulips symbolize cheerful thoughts. White tulips are associated with purity and forgiveness, and purple tulips represent royalty and admiration. Next time you offer someone a bouquet, think about the hidden message you're sending. Orchids, with their exotic beauty, have long been linked to luxury and strength. They represent refinement and rare beauty. Sunflowers, with their vibrant and sunny appearance, represent loyalty and adoration. Lavender signifies serenity and tranquility, while blue orchids convey a sense of mystery and rarity. Carnations are versatile flowers with a wide range of meanings. Pink carnations convey gratitude, while white carnations symbolize purity and luck. Red carnations are often associated with deep love and admiration. Blue forget-me-nots carry a message of true love and remembrance. Daffodils, with their cheerful yellow blooms, represent rebirth and new beginnings. Hydrangeas, with their abundant petals, are often associated with gratitude and heartfelt emotions. Cherry blossoms hold great cultural significance in Japan, representing the beauty and transience of life. Irises, with their intricate blooms, symbolize wisdom and hope. Peonies, known for their lush and fragrant blossoms, signify prosperity and romance. Gerbera daisies bring cheer and happiness, representing innocence and purity. Anemones symbolize anticipation and excitement, capturing the thrill of new beginnings. Ranunculus, with their layers of delicate petals, convey charm and attractiveness. Magnolias, with their elegant and fragrant blooms, represent dignity and beauty. Hibiscus flowers, with their vibrant colors, symbolize delicate beauty and grace. The lotus flower holds deep spiritual meaning, signifying purity, enlightenment, and rebirth. The secret language of flowers is a timeless tradition that continues to enchant us. So, the next time you receive or give flowers, take a moment to appreciate the hidden messages they convey. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the secret language of flowers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories about home and garden. See you next time.